remembering that everything to do with this project is going to be held in a single Windows folder. Let's have a quick look back at that and see that we've got two files, the single file.est and the single file cal.xml. The program has pulled cal.xml in, and we have added these components, and we've got some costs, all the rest of it. Now, if you go to the File menu, you'll see that you've only got an option to save the project. You can't save as or save it somewhere else, because when you press save, it's going to write the project into that same folder. So if I press that, you'll see back over here in this folder a new file called pricing.calestimate. So what's happening now is that we've got three files here, and each folder where you've been working on a project of this nature, you'll find a file called pricing.calestimate. So what happens is if you update the Callidus file, the single file.est, when you save that, it will update the cal.xml file. And then when you start the pricing program, what happens is it first reads in the .calestimate file, and then brings in the cal.xml file, which has all the new quantities. So in other words, by bringing in the pricing estimate, you're bringing in all your components, rates, and everything else that you've got set up, and then it updates the quantities from the Callidus file. So if we have a quick look at that, let's just see that the sale price is 11,091. Okay, and if we come out of that, I'm going to save that, and I'm going to go back to the file and put in another room of the same tile. Save that, load it up, and you can see that the sale price is now 12,685. So it's gone up, and it's gone up because the quantity of the one of the tiles has gone up. So you've kept all the rates that you put in before, and because we've worked on, for example, gross, when the cal.xml file is re-imported, all those quantities are updated and populate through the pricing program. And so as long as you're happy for all the rates to stay the same, the unit costs, if you like, and everything else, all your markups, then you can add materials, you can change things, delete rooms, whatever, save your file, load your pricing program, and all the quantities are updated and the whole system sorts itself out. So that's the file save. Just bear in mind that this pricing.calestimate is always going to be called that, and wherever you've been working on a price estimate, you're going to have one of those files and one or more of these cal.xml files. So I hope that's clear, but I think, again, one of these things that when you've worked with it a couple of times, it'll become clear what's happening.